Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a work utility van that's scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin the chassis with a 2x14 plate. I'm going to take a modified 1x4 plate with ball receiver, place that right there. Then we're going to proceed on with a 2x4 plate and a set of 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bearing. Then a 1x4 plate, followed by a 6x6 plate. This is going to be the base of the cab. Right here, a 1x4 plate, and a set of 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bearing. Yes, they're going to be hanging over, but don't worry, we're going to strengthen that up here in a bit. Back on the left, a set of 2x4 plates. This is going to secure our bearing plates in this joint, and right in this area a set of 1x3 jumper plates. These are going to be used to anchor down our seats and give us a bit of an offset inside the cab. Gives us a bit more room for our minifigures to have a seat. Then I'm going to proceed on with another set of 2x4 plates. This is going to lock all that together. Put one right here perpendicular, and right here a 1x6 plate, and in this area right above the ball receiver a 1x2 plate. For our rear bumper, we're going to start with a 1x2 by 1x2 downwards angular plate. I'm going to place an ingot tile right on the face. Make two of these. We're going to set these right here. Now, before I forget, I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to set in a set of 1x2 plates right here. This is going to line up the rest of our body. And before I forget, a set of 1x6 plates right in these areas. Back on the right, place a 1x4 plate right here. And for the cargo area, several 2x2 flat tiles. I'm going to place these two right here. Place one right here. We're going to leave these two areas open for our mud guards. And then we're going to finish this up with a set of 2x2 flat tiles and a 1x4 flat tile right here. And then we're going to take four 2x2 modified plate with mud guard. We're going to place these two right here and two back here. Place this right in this area. Right here in the front, a 1x2 brick with two studs, and to wrap around our mud guards, a set of 45-degree slopes with tile. These work pretty good in finishing these off. And when we wrap around our wheel wells, we're going to have a hole there we want to hide. We'll set those right there. For the dashboard assembly, start with a 1x4 plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 rocker bearing and a 1x2 rocker bearing plate right inside. I want to make sure we can hinge it this way. Then I'm going to take a 1x2 brick with two studs, set that there, and a 1x2 ingot tile, followed by a 1x2 plate with slide. That's going to be the passenger side of our dashboard. Right here on top of the bearing plate, a 1x2 jumper plate, and a 2x2 steering wheel console to complete the dashboard assembly. Let's set our dashboard assembly right here, right next to our mud guards, and a set of 2x2 by 2 seats. Place those right on our jumper plates. Well, that one's trying to scoot away. Let's set that there. Let's begin the body with a set of 1x2 inverted 45-degree slopes. These are going to wrap around our mud guards, give our wheels some clearance, and a set of 1x4 bricks. Place that right there, and right here we're going to wrap around the mud guards with 4 more 1x2 inverted 45-degree slopes. See, it fills in that hole right there so you don't even see it. And a set of transparent red 1x1 plates. These are going to be our rear taillights. Now along the sides, a set of 1x8 plates. This is going to lock all those joints together. And a set of 1x4 plates right here. In these two areas, a set of 1x1 plates. And we're going to begin our side mirrors. Place these with a set of 1x1 plates with lamp holder and a round 1x1 flat tile. That's silver metallic. I'm going to make one and put this right here. And I'm going to make another one for the other side of the vehicle. Just a mirror form of it. Place that right there with another lamp holder and a round 1x1 flat tile. Speaking of tiles, a pair of 1x3 flat tiles. To finish up these portions of the fake doors. Then proceed on with a pair of 1x3 plates in these two areas and a set of 1x4 plates. For the front bumper and grille, start with a 1x4 plate. I'm going to take a set of 2x2 by 2/3 plate with 2 studs. I'm going to place these right underneath the 1x4 plate. It's shown where the studs are right here on the top. We're going to take a 1x1 plate. I want to place a 1x2 transparent orange plate right here. I want to make 2 of these, and I'm going to set these on both sides. And right here, a 1x6 plate. Then I want to lock all this together with a 2x4 plate and a set of 1x1 plates in these two areas. Now I want to proceed on with a pair of 1x2 radiator grills and a 1x4 plate right below the radiator grills. And for headlights, a set of 1x1 by 2/3 slopes. Now for the front bumper, 1x2 flat tile, that's going to be our license plate, and a set of 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. Let's slide in our front bumper and grille right on our 1x2 brick with 2 studs. And to lock all that together, a pair of 2x3 plates. Keeps everything nice and secure. And then we're going to take a 4x6 by 2/3 hood plate to finish up the front portion of the work van. On these 2 studs, a 1x6 by 2 brick with arch, and then for panels, a set of 1x4 by 2 wall elements, and a set of 1x2 by 2 wall elements right here to finish up the cargo area. For rear cargo doors, we're going to take a set of 1x3 by 3 left and right hand doors, place these right here. And I'm going to take a 1x6 plate. We're going to place a 1x2 transparent red flat tile right in the center, followed by a set of 1x1 flat tiles. We're going to place this assembly right on top of our doors, right here to keep everything lined up. Now we're going to secure all this together with a set of 1x4 flat tiles. Then a 2x6 by 2 windscreen for a windshield, and for windshield wipers, some small antenna aerials, shifter things. Place these right here. I always like to start with that one first, and then swing it in place, and we can do this one right here. Doesn't really matter which side you start. Then I'm going to set down a modified 1x4 plate with 2 studs. Place that right there. That's going to be used to anchor down our top that we're going to be building here in a moment or two. Then I want to proceed on with a set of 1x8 flat tiles. This is going to line up all these joints, and then we're going to finish this off with a 1x4 flat tile. Now we're going to flip the van over. We're going to add some wheels. So I'm going to take one of these balloon tires and a rim, place the rim inside the tire. Now we're going to need to make 4 of these. Stick these on our bearing plates. We don't have to worry about which side the rims face because he can really only go in one way. I've been grilled a few times on which way they should go, but these were safe. For the top of the cab, start with a 4x6 plate. I'm going to take a 4x6 by 2/3 hood plate right here. This is the middle variant. And I'm going to take a set of 4x6 by 2/3 hood plates. Place these right here end to end. Now let's set our top on top of the work van.